Okay, all these lectures are recorded. I once again I welcome you as to for quality subject triple E fourth year first semester for the academic year 2020-21. So I hope all the students join the online sessions. So out of 84 number of students, only 76 are joining. So please inform your friends to join the other students also. So myself again, I am repeating myself. I am Mansudan. Uh, so I'm working as assistant professor in triple department for the past 7 years. Okay. Now going to the some formal. So not yes. This is the see this. Uh, we can see this. So this is the academic calendar that given by the JN2K University, Kakinada. So you can see this as instructions given by the JN2K. We are starting the classes today onwards, nothing but the 17/8/2020. Okay. So we don't know how many days it will still continue to take the online classes. This may be continue up to the December, or it may be end up to the something 1 or 2 months. We don't know perfectly. So that further instructions is given by the university. Until the further instructions, we are going to take the online classes. So okay, as instructions given by the university, okay, you must get the 75% attendance, not the 66. Remember one thing again, you must get the 75% attendance, online classes attendance. So attendance is taken by the some another faculty, so be careful. So in the lecturers, nothing but in the class, in between the class, I may call the roll number, those roll number may respond. Okay, now I will check you are listening the classes, or you just on the cell phone and go somewhere else. Okay, this is the okay, then see this the screen. So this is the academic calendar given by the university. So your first unit, nothing but the our starting class is from 17/8/2020 to the so 3/10/2020. Nothing but up to this date, nothing but the October. October 3, we are going to complete the first 3 units. Okay, a chapter, whatever it may be. Then after 28/9, nothing but before that, they can connect the first internal. Then after you can start the next 3 chapters, nothing but the unit 4, 5, and 6. Then they can conduct the second mid on November 16th onwards. Okay, na? Then after they can conduct the practical examinations. Okay, external examinations, external practical examinations. Okay, okay, listen. Then after the practical examinations is over, they can conduct the your end examinations, 30/11/2020. Nothing but the preferably December. I mean the last date of the November. But remember these dates as well as all the things are not that final. Remember, once this pandemic situation is over, there may be a chance that this academic calendar may changes. Okay, so up to that date, once the JNT is not officially declaring the another calendar, so up to that date we follow this calendar. Okay, all of you, then see this one, next one. Next one, this is our timetable. Please all of you note down our timetable. So today is Monday, so our class is in between the 10 to 10:40. Okay, I mean still students are joining. Okay, so in Wednesday our class is 9 to 9:40. Then a Friday, our class is in between the 1 to 1:40 in the afternoon session. Be careful. Then Saturday, our class is in between the 2 to 2:40. Please remember. Uh, so this is entirely of this. Okay. So more of definitions, more of analysis, more of differentiation in between those terms. So you can carefully remember the definitions, all the things. Okay. So this is our subject. Electrical power quality is taken by me, Madhusudan. So now we can see this one thing: discipline and attendance monitoring by Dr. A.S. So remember, Dr. A.S. is nothing but our HOD sir. So when I join the classes with me, HOD sir is also in this group. He is also joining in the group. Okay, so be careful about that one. Okay, he is monitoring attendance. Sir is taking attendance, so he is with us for 1 hour. Okay, so our Zoom meeting. Then coming to the Zoom meeting, a Zoom meeting is about to the 40 minutes only, but uh, in 10 to 15 days, we will expect the official Zoom meeting. That is for I mean above 40 minutes. So we will take the 1 hour, 2 hour, 2 hours time without any interruption. But this is the sample version. It is only available for the 40 minutes and under participants. Then we are purchasing the original version within 1 week time. Okay, so there is no on that time there is no disturbances are occur, and at the same time I will avail the more number of options. So I think I don't know is Sai Kumar, Nentu Sai Kumar. Please save your name as the your registered number. Then coming to the next one, our syllabus. As you see our syllabus, electric power quality. So first one is the introduction. Then second chapter is the voltage imperfections in power systems. Okay, voltage. Then you can see this. What is that one? Voltage imperfections in power system. Then the third unit is voltage regulation and power factor improvement. So these three chapters are units we are going to complete the before the October. As you know that the first unit mid examinations is in the month of the October. So before the first mid is starting, we are able to complete these three. So I don't know how they can conduct the first mid examinations. That may be of online mode or that may be of offline. Okay. Now you can see the another one. After the first mid of the first mid is over, then we will start the fourth chapter. Nothing but the harmonic distortion and the solutions. Then the fifth chapter is distributed generation and power quality. The next one is monitoring and we can see this monitoring and instrumentation. That is the sixth one. So the importance of this electric power quality. So we have so many options are there. This is one of the elective subjects they can consider, because we can see this subject electric power quality. As you know that India is producing the much of the power, nothing but above 320 giga uh, watts of power nowadays. But India, I mean, last decade, India is not uh, concentrating on the power quality. In the coming lectures, I will tell you why people want the quality of the power. Why the term is coming, quality. So why only we require the quality of the power. How much quality of the power is supplied by the Indian government when compared to the all other countries? Okay, okay. So is nothing but the so we'll discuss about all the terms and the definitions, all other things in the coming lectures. Okay, this is the syllabus. Now you can see the textbooks. So we have two main textbooks are there. Electrical Power System Quality. The author is Dugan. Okay, that is McGraw Hill edition. That is available in our library also. And the second textbook is Electric Power Quality Problems. So the author is MHA Bullen. So that is also available in our library. Okay, then remaining are the references. Okay, I will share you the first two textbooks. I have the soft copy of those two textbooks. I will share you the textbooks also. So I will share in the group, in our group. So you are downloading that one. I will take the printout and read that one. Okay. So at the same time, I will also share you the PPT also. Okay. So our department is also starting the YouTube channel. If any person is missing any classes, they can search the YouTube and see the classes again. No problem at all. Okay. Then coming to the next one, course outcomes. As you know that course outcome is simply at the end of the course. Nothing but once you completed the all the syllabus, then how much amount you learn, okay, from this syllabus, from this course. A course is nothing but the our subject. Remember, a course is nothing but the our subject. Once you complete the all the units or all the subject, once you write the mid one and mid two, you have to learn something. So what you learn, so I will define that one, what you are going to learn. Okay, so this will represents them at the end of the course. Nothing but once you once we completed the syllabus, okay, your students will be able to differentiate between different types of power quality problems. Okay, you are I am guaranteed that you must differentiate that one, what are the different types of power quality problems. So that power quality problems is nothing but the voltage sags, voltage wells. Okay, what are the power quality problems? Voltage sags. Then who is that person? That power star. Please remove that name and save it as your name. Okay. So please don't name like that. You have your name also. I don't know who is that name. I think in my role list I don't know. I can't identify that name power star. Please remove that name. Okay, whatever. And now see this one, differentiate between different types of power quality problems. So the power quality problems is nothing but the voltage sag, voltage well, interruptions, transients, long duration, over voltage, harmonics in the power system. So the first our CO is nothing but the course outcome is. We can differentiate that one, what is a sag, what is a swell or something like that. Then coming to the second CO, nothing but student will be able to explain the sources of power quality problems. Nothing but sources of voltages, voltage sag, voltage swells, some interruptions, some transients, some long duration over voltages and harmonics in the power systems. Sources is nothing but why voltage sag is occurred in the system. Why interruptions is occurred in the system. You know that you are that interruptions, transients, all other some harmonics. What is the reasons behind that? Why that problems occurs in the system, in the power system? So nothing but we can call this as the electrical term source. What is the sources of occurring that problems? We will definitely able to know that one. What is sources? Then coming to third one, analyze power quality terms in power quality networks on power quality standards. So nothing but the terms, again the terms, power quality terms, voltage sags, voltage cells. You can analyze that one, how they can occur, when they can occur, how much duration it will present in the systems, how to avoid that problems. All the things we can analyze them. Then coming to the power quality standards. So what is the standards? So you know that in our India, our voltage standards single phase system is 230 volts, 50 hertz, then 5 amperes, like that. So these power terms, nothing but this power quality terms, they can defined by the some standard institutes. Those institutes you can call it as a IEEE institute as well as the IEC. Okay, so those are the based on those standards we can lend the power quality terms. Okay, then next one, our next CO, fourth CO, that is the explain the principle of voltage regulation and power factor improvement methods. As you know that voltage regulation and power factor. Okay, so you already learned something about the voltage regulations and power factor in the some power systems 1 and power system 2 subject. Okay, now again we can see this voltage regulation power quality, nothing but the power factor. So why they can introduce here means, so how voltage regulation as well as power factor will uh, causes the quality of the power. Okay, so that's why we can introduce in this one also. The next one, the fifth CO is demonstrate the people, I mean mathematics students will be able to demonstrate the relationship between distributed generation and power quality. What is this distributed generation? I mean where you already heard the term distributed generation. So it's nothing but more sources we can add the more number of power sources. Is in the sense here at the same network you can add the wind generation as well as the solar, some tidal energy, all other things we can consider as the distributed generation. How those distributed and nothing but the solar or nothing but the wind will affect the power quality problems. They may solve the power quality problems, or they may increase the power quality problems. Okay, so we can see that how the distributed generation will help us to improve the power quality. Okay, the next one, the last CO, explain the power quality monitoring concepts and the uses of measuring instruments. Okay, then how to measure that the power quality? There are some specific instruments out there for measuring the power quality. So then how to monitor that, how to know that when we occur the power quality problems. So how to know that the system is hit by the power quality issues? How to identify that? When you identify something, you have to measure something. When you measure, then you can identify that is the voltage sag or voltage swell or interruptions or something about it, or transients or long duration over voltage. So that purpose you require the some instruments. Okay, so then we can also learn what are the different types of that instruments, how to identify that one, how to monitor that power quality problems. Okay, now we can see this. Please wait. Yes, we can see this. We already see the uh, academic calendar. Now you can see the some question papers, some previous question papers. Uh, we are not seeing the pattern that is R13 or R16 or R19, whatever it may be. We can see the how they can ask the questions in the final examinations. Okay, so you can see this distinguish between power quality, voltage quality. Then what are the causes of voltage sags and swells? Then flickers, then THD in the sense total harmonic distortions. Then DC distributed generation. Okay, in our DC means here distributed generation, not the diesel generators. Okay, the term in the sense DC means here some distributed generation. What are the different technologies used in the generations? So what are the transients? You know that different types of transients, then different types of war voltages. Then all other things. Then this is the static war compensator. So remember, this is the one device. How we can use this device? Some different types of devices to avoid the or we can minimize the losses. Power quality problems. I tell you one story, some real story. So in the in few years back, IIT Bhubaneswar has conducted one survey. So why in India an electronic industry, especially electronic industry, is not there. Nothing but no persons, nothing but no another country is not investing in India in electronics industry. What is the reason behind that one? They conducted on survey. IIT Bhubaneswar and that local government. So they can identify the various factors, then then power is available or not in that area. So all other things. At last, they can find out one solution, and but they can identify the one problem in that one. That is the that issue is the power quality. Okay, they can identify that one. Why the industry is not present in nothing but the no industry is there in the India electronic industry. They can identify that one. That is the main power quality issue. The main reason behind that one is the power quality. That much importance is there in this syllabus, nothing but in this subject. I'll tell you one best example for power quality. Okay, so when you see this when you look at this, we have the some industry like some milk industry. So you can consider it as Amul. All of you know that one. When you pack the milk in the packets, once you pack the before you can pack the milk packet, you can fill the that packets. So before on that filling process, if you are not supplying the a much quality of power, what will happen here? If it fills, for suppose 1 liter, due to the some power quality issues, it can fill the 1.5 liters or 1.2 liters. R. So we can talk about the our electronic industry. Why it is not there in India? I'll tell you the reason behind that one is the electric power quality. Why means here? We have the board. You know that. For suppose you can take this some cell phones or some computers or any devices. It has some a PCB board. So in that board, we have hundreds of thousands of some chips are there, small chips, nothing but the some transistors, some diodes, all other things. Okay, so what will happen here because of this power quality issues? It plays a transistor at one place. Because of this problem, it can place at the another place. So it mismatches the all the components. So nothing but that sensitive equipments will operated at the or will operated at the power. A very less amount of power, quality of power. Nothing but that robots, we can call it as robo arms. Robo arms will place the some diodes and transistors in the system. Yes. Okay. You can see this. Once. I hope you just a minute. I hope all of you see this screen. Nothing but this is the some PCB. Instead of displacing this device here, for suppose there is some power quality issue, it can place somewhere. For suppose here, what will happen here? The entire circuit will damages. Okay. Then how to place this devices in the board, or who will place this devices in the board? And robotic arm will place the devices in this board. Okay, so that robotic arm is controlled by the some driver circuit or some driving circuits, or nothing but the a small electronic circuits. The small electronic circuits are operated by the voltage levels, a very less amount of voltage levels, nothing but the 5 volts, 15 volts, 24 volts, or 30 volts, are like that. So on that voltage levels, we can change, or there is any change in the voltages. What will happen here? The driver circuit is also changes. Nothing but the output is also changes. Once the output is changes, according to that output, that robotic arm is placed in the different places. So nothing but, so the quality of power is very essential nowadays. Okay, now we will see how we can get that quality of power. That what are the reasons behind that producing the quality? I mean, causes the poor quality problem. You know that ourselves, you and me, are the causes of the poor quality problems in the system. We are injecting, or we are causing the poor quality problems in the system. We are, but at the same time, we want the poor quality. Okay, in the coming lectures, we will see. Okay, uh, how you will get the quality of the power, what is the power quality terms that will depend defined by the some standards, by using the some standards. Okay, all other things we are going to discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you once again, all of you joining this online classes. Okay, uh, so all of you stay home, stay safe. Okay, thank you,
Yes.
thank you, Anand. Thank you very much.